Okay, so hopefully this video will help you, Isabella. And let me just get my things ready here so I can write on the screen. And it's okay. Here we go. Sort of. Okay, so what do I know? I know that the number looks like this: A, B, C, C, B, A. So what you need to know is that if I put a 1 over here for A, guess this number A here will also be a 1. If B happens to be 2, this B will also be 2. And C, obviously, if this C is 3, the other C is also 3. So you have to come up with a number, okay, that is going to be divisible by 11, okay, and whereas this first number and this last number are the same, this second number and the second to last number are the same, and the middle numbers are the same. Okay, what can I tell you? Well, I can tell you this. The rule for 11 says that if I take the first number plus this number plus this number, right, and I add those three up, let's say A, whatever A is, plus whatever C is, plus whatever B is going to give me a value, right? And let's just call it X. And then if I add this B plus this C plus this A, that B plus that C plus A, it should give me another value. Well, notice that I'm adding the same three numbers again, right? On the first one, I added A plus C plus B. And here at the bottom, I added B plus C plus A. They're the same number, except that the order in which I'm adding are different. So whatever I get here, this will also be an X. So what do we do next? We add the first, the third, and the fifth number, A, C, B. I'm going to get a value here that I don't know. And then I'm going to add the second, the fourth, and the fifth, right? Which is B, C, and A. I'm going to get a certain value, which just happens to be the same. If I subtract, because these two values are the same, what's my answer going to be? My answer is going to be 0, or has to be 0, or 11 in order for it to be divisible by 11, correct? So let me write that again. Here's my number, A, B, C, C, B, A. So let's pick random numbers. What if I make A 4? I know that this last number will also be 4, right? What if I make B, I don't know, let's just do 2. This number will also be 2. And these two numbers will be, let's say, 6. So if I make that C6, this C, oh, it's also 6. Well, let's see if that works. Well, the rule for 11 is I'm going to take the first one, the third one, and the fifth one. So it's 4 plus 6 plus 2. And that's going to give me 12. I'm going to take the second one, the fourth one, and the sixth one, which is 2 plus 6 plus 4. And guess what? It's also going to give me 12. So if I subtract 12 minus 12, I get 0. What does that tell me? It tells me that if I actually took the time to divide this by 11, it would work out to a nice whole number. And just for argument's sake, let me just pull out my calculator and see if it works. 4266624 divided by 11 equals, the answer, the quotient here would be 38,784. See, it actually works out. And guess what? It has no remainder, which is exactly what we want. Hopefully that works. I don't want you to use my number. You can pick your number. But the idea here is to use what we knew about the rule for 11 to help us with coming up with our number. Okay? Oh, did I record this? Hang on a second. Hopefully I record this. I don't know if I recorded this. If not, I'm going to have to do this all over again. And that's it. So let me figure out if I recorded this, and I did. Okay. Hopefully that helps. And that's it.